Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the super nice 3 pieces family of reindeers that this brand sent to me for the video. I have to say that this is so cozy. This is so warm. This actually speaks so much about the Christmas spirit. Not only these look super nice during the day because they're super shiny and glittery. I'm gonna talk about the glitter in a few seconds, but also at night, these three they can connect to one single cable. You can see that this one arches with one single cable. I'm gonna show everything to you in a close-up in a few seconds and then come back at night so you can see how nice these are and how cozy. But these one are the tallest one, dad for sure. This one is 61 inches, mom is 53 inches, and the little boy over there is 34 inches tall. And you can connect them in one single cable to reveal at night the 360 LED lights that you're actually gonna be with this one. You're gonna see with this ones are super cozy, really shiny, and it's gonna give you a really nice Christmas spirit. Also, these ones are waterproof, UV light resistant, and weather resistant, so you can leave them outside without any issues. The other thing I'm gonna talk about before I show them to you in a close-up and then come back at night is the glitter. Don't open and assemble these ones inside because it's gonna be a glitter fest. It comes with tons of glitter, so some of the glitter is gonna fall and you're gonna have your hands with glitter, your clothes with glitter, your floor with glitter. So if you can do it outside, or put a big piece of cardboard or like a big bed sheet or something like that, and just use gloves if you also care. It could be that one super good as well. But then let me show you in a close-up. Just see how shiny these ones are and how well made are. This is that right here, the tallest one. As you can see over there, as I was telling you before, you can connect everything in just one single cable with the 3 connectors. And then there is mom right here, not mom over here with this really nice ribbon. It looks super nice. And of course, our little boy over here as well. So I'm gonna actually come back at night so you can see them so cozy and so shiny these ones are. Oh my God, I can't believe how nice these ones are. You can see how nice and cozy and warm yellow, kind of like this warm yellow right here. And of course, the Christmas spirit is reflecting in these reindeers right here. I think these are so nice. Dad, mom, and of course the little guy over here. You can actually put the stakes in the ground if you want, kind of like right there in the legs. It comes with all the stakes, the metal stakes that you can put right there, so you can avoid a little bit of movement. I mean, of course, if it is like a super windy day and if it's kind of like a storm, I don't recommend putting these ones outside. And by the way, remember, the assembly process is gonna take you no more than 15 or 20 minutes. It's super easy. But just remember the glitter, as I was telling you before. Remember the glitter right here. Look at this. Oh my God, how beautiful this one is. And of course, how beautiful all these 3 together are. Like, this is a really nice family to put in the entrance of your house. I'm gonna give it the best of the thumbs up to this one. I like it. I do recommend it. And of course, you can just leave them outside and be the envy of every of your neighbors in your neighborhood. I like them. I think it's 110% recommended. Thanks for watching and see you soon.